Operations Management. Top 8 Operations Management training courses you can take online. What is Operations Management? Operations Management is the main featured core function for any company. It usually incorporates managing people, equipment, technology and information. This is true regardless of the size of the company, the industry it is in, whether it is manufacturing or service, or is for profit or not for profit. Decisions are considerable on a day in and day out basis, and might include matters such as what products to produce, how large a facility to build, where to locate the facility, what techniques and equipment to use, how many units to produce, how employees should be trained, what methods to use to enhance product quality. Operations Management Online Training Courses by Tonex. Tonex 8 different operations management training courses will enhance your skills in areas such as inventory management, operations planning, operational innovation, manufacturing management, performance management, distribution and logistics, more. Available Operations Management Online courses: Engineering Project Management, Mergers and Acquisitions Training, Offshore Wind Farm Training, Operations Management Training, Operations Management Training Boot Camp, Organizational Development Fundamentals Training, Risk Management Training, Strategic Planning and Management Training. Operations Management. Why choose Tonex? Because Tonex really works. 25 years experience, up to 98% positive feedback, over 20k developers in 50 countries, can't go wrong for you. Tonex clients strongly recommend Tonex training. Want to learn more? Visit tonex.com for operations management courses and workshop detail.